Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start right away. Charge both devices to at least 50%, join the same Wi-Fi, and open Move to iOS on Android. Enter the temporary code shown on the iPhone and grant permissions for contacts, messages, photos, and storage. Why this matters? Move to iOS needs network access and read permissions to copy files reliably. Once the code matches, select the data categories you need, do not select apps yet, and tap Continue so the transfer begins. Once the transfer starts, watch the progress and keep both screens active. Closing apps or sleeping the phone interrupts the stream. If you have a lot of photos or videos, Move to iOS may skip untransferred items. Make sure to export those to Google Photos or connect the Android to a PC and copy media. Also, understand apps won't port automatically. Make a quick list of Android apps to find equivalents or paid app repurchases in the App Store. To finish, sign into your Apple ID and enable iCloud for contacts, photos, and messages. This keeps everything synced. Check that contacts, calendars, and photos are present, then reinstall apps and recover passwords from your password manager or use Android backup files where possible. If the move to iOS transfer fails or stalls, try a wired connection using a USB OTG cable or run the transfer in smaller batches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.